The Rosemex cabinet enclosure installation is fast and easy, as this video will demonstrate. The RX 155 installation guide. Begin by first measuring the wall. Then cut the mount bracket. Part number RA200. Set the center screw in order to level the mount bracket. Once the mount bracket is level, you may screw the two side screws. Now that the mount bracket is set, you may proceed with installing the right end cap. Part number RS350. It hangs over the mount bracket and is fixed to the wall with a screw. Once the right end cap is secured, proceed to the heating element and plumbing installation by a professional plumber. Now that the heating element is installed, proceed to the installation of the base. Part number RS400. It is easily affixed to the floor, as shown. Now that the base is fixed, you may now install the left end cap. Part number RS355. It hangs over the mount bracket as well and is also affixed to the wall with two screws. Once that the left end cap is secured to the wall, you may set a metal piercing screw under the left end cap, and then proceed to set another metal piercing screw under the right end cap. You may now set the front mount. Part number RA500. It is also affixed with two screws. Once that is set, you may proceed to the installation of the grille. Part number RA600. It can then be installed and set in place with a rubber hammer. Now the front panel, part number RS700, is latched onto the front of the enclosure. And this concludes the installation.